There are hundreds of miles of trails for the snowmobiles. Yes, Howard, Wolf?
Actually, there's thousands of miles in the state. In our county, we have nearly 700 miles.
In Vilas County.
Just in Vilas County, correct.
And why are we talking to you about those trails today, Howard?
Because I'm one of the volunteers at the Snow Eagle Snowmobile Club. We have 1/11th. There's 11 clubs in the county. We groom about 85 miles of trails.
85 miles of trails.
Yes.
Yeah. And you, that takes just a couple times during the winter to do that?
We go out every night during the winter.
Yeah.
If the snow conditions are right, we go out every single night with volunteers.
Yeah.
And they'll go out from 5 at night till 1, 2 o'clock in the morning grooming trails.
Wow. And is there anything done in the rest of the year except the winter around
All
that?
year long, we have brushing, trail signs that have to be put up because some deer hunters shot up a sign on us or
is that
something.
right?
Oh yeah. and there's always maintenance. There's trees that fall down because of storms that have to be cut up. And so year round there is activity on the trails.
So you certainly have a map of that 80 some miles that you that your
Absolutely.
club takes care of.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Everybody does. And we all have it in our head.
You do? Do you?
Yes.
Yeah. It's all volunteers, you told me.
Yes.
Which I was surprised at. So this isn't a state sort of organization that does this?
No, the state does reimburse each club, but there's, I believe, 630 clubs or 620 clubs in the state, and all the clubs in the state take care of grooming the
And all
trails.
volunteers.
All volunteers.
Yeah. Oh, what's
And
this?
they have to buy their own equipment.
So this equipment your club bought?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. The groomer
This
itself.
doesn't look cheap to me.
No, the groomer itself is about 330,000. The drag behind it is another $25,000-$30,000. We have 3 of them, so you have $1 million worth of equipment, and volunteers have to go out and create fundraisers to pay for it because the state does not pay for
I
it.
just want to help you right now is what I
Please.
It's about volunteers and it's about
all
people
about
who
volunteers.
support what this
Yes,
does.
it's all about volunteers.
What do you pray for weather-wise when you know you have to groom?
The best thing for trails is we have to have a base. So the best thing that can happen is in November and December, early December, be cold. Be bitterly cold so the ground freezes.
Yeah.
And then if you get a little dustiness of snow, we go out and pack that and it becomes ice
And how do you do that?
with this
With
drag.
this guy. What is this
Yes,
called? A drag?
A drag.
Okay.
Yes. So that packs the snow and that creates a base. Last year we had a 6-8-inch base of ice. So then when it does snow, it holds the snow because the ground is cold.
Yeah.
So that's important.
So you pray
then
for-
after Christmas, it can snow every day.
And that's what you hope for.
Yes.
Yeah. And until when? When your season of snowmobile is usually
Trails
when?
by state law close the 31st of March
Oh, they do.
in Wisconsin.
Yeah.
Yes. And it's because of hunting seasons.
Yeah, because that could get.
Yeah.
Little
You don't
sketchy,
want,
huh?
yes.
Yeah.
You don't want somebody flying around out there and somebody else has a gun.
Whoops.
Oops.
Yeah,
Yes.
none of that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Are you out on a snowmobile ever?
All the time.
You are.
Yes.
Yeah.
1,000, 2,000 miles a year.
A Polaris?
Yes.
Is it? Oh, okay.
How did you
Yeah,
guess?
you're a Polaris kind of guy.
I am.
I have no idea what that means. Just
Dan still won't let me drive it. Those